Jwala Devi temple is the main places of worshippers of Shakti, one of the 51 Shakti Peeths of Ma Bhagwati. The Jwala Mukhi temple quite famous. 30 km from Kangra in Himachal Pradesh is the famous temple of Jwala Devi. Jwala Devi temple is also known as Jotawali Ma temple and Nagarkot. According to mythological beliefs, the tongue of Mother Sati had fallen here.
Ma Bhagwati is seated here in the form of Jwala, and Lord Shiva is situated in the form of Unmat Bhairav.
The miracle of this temple is that there is no idol here, but 9 flames coming out of the womb of the earth are worshipped. Till date, no one has been able to know their secret, that how this flame is coming out from here. Also, till date, no one has been able to extinguish these flames. Let's know what is the secret of Jwala Devi flame. In the Jwala Devi temple, 9 flames are burning without oil and wick, which is symbol of 9 forms of the mother. The biggest flame that is burning in the temple is Jwala Mata. In the British Raj, a lot of efforts were made to find the energy buried under the ground to know the flame of the temple, but nothing could be found in their hands. After the independence of India, many geologists also came here, tried a lot to find out the root of the flame, but they also did not get any information. This proves that it is a miraculous flame. King Akbar also tried many times to extinguish the flames of the temple, but could not extinguish the flames of the temple. He also dug a canal, but could not extinguish the flame. So he too bowed down, seeing this miracle, and a golden chhatra arrived to appear. But the mother did not accept it, and that chhatra fell and turned into some other metal. No one has come to know what this metal is till today. Dhyanu Bhakt, the supreme devotee of the mother, had also offered his head to the mother to prove his devotion. There is a Gorakh Dibbi in the temple premises. On seeing it, seems that hot water will be boiling in this pool, while the water of the tank feels cold on touch. It is called Gorakhnath Temple.